Good day to you peeps. Professor Liesl here once more from the University of Life. Yes, and today I've come to review this latest build from Liesl Cigar Box Guitar and the community, which is our 3-string electric diddley bow or 3-string slide guitar. Whichever you prefer, I'll let you decide. Do forgive me, it's been awfully hot lately. Yeah, and it's ever so warm here in the sound lab. Yes, and I am rather jet lagged as I've just flown back in from Malaysia, where I have been heading up, a Sensational Sound seminar at the Malaysian Institute of Art Music Department. That's right. Yeah. And yes, I've been conducting this seminar with my new colleague, Miles. That's Miles Better. Yes, that is his real name. Cheeky rascal. Miles Better of the Institute. Yes, well, more about him later. Anyway, so yeah, no messing, straight in. Do pull up a seat. It's always such a mess in here when I let CBG come in here. Anyway. Do pull up a chair and we'll see what we've got, right? So, oh look, just made me a cup of coffee, that's nice. Oh, and custard creams. Do you like one? Okay. No expense spared, eh? She's pushing the boat out today. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, so she did ask me to come along and do this little review. She's having a day or two off. She's been feeling exhaustion. Yeah. So, yeah. She left me a note somewhere. Oh, here it is. Let's have a look, shall we? Dear Professor Liesl. Dear Professor Liesl. Thank you for agreeing to come along at such short notice. Hot foot from your seminar to review and rate our latest build. Oh, pleasure's all mine, really. Blah, 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 blah. I've decided to take a day or two off. Yes, may I? I've gone down to the beach to spend some time with Uncle Lester. I've gone down to the beach to spend some time with Les. His tour bus is now back on the road. Anyway. I don't think I was supposed to read that out loud, no. So yeah, she has headed down to the beach with Les in the tour bus. Yeah. Do you want to know his real name? It's quite distinguished actually. It is Lester Archibald Grind. Don't tell him I told you. He's very touchy about that. Must use his stage name, he says. But anyway. Calm down, Professor Liesl. So let's get straight on with it, shall we then? Right, okay, here's the instrument, right? Yeah, I'm sorry, but the camera angle is not the best. But I think the sound is the important thing on this, isn't it? So let's see how we go, right? Oh, let's have a sip of my coffee. Okay. First impressions, it looks nice. Yes, that's quite a good resonator. Does seem to be working and pinging. 2 grommets in the top as the main sound holes. I did have a quick go on this earlier, I will admit, and I thought the sound was rather thin. So I took a drill to it and added some extra tone holes in the front of the instrument. Yep, because as we know, it does contain two resonator devices behind the resonator plate, which as we know is made from an old alarm clock from the 1960s. There's a spring inside the body, and there is also the bell, the original bell from the original alarm clock, and we will see if that makes any difference to the sound. I see that CBG did add some of these little 4mm grommets. Oh, sounding good. I think the idea was that they are slightly conical shaped and that they may well act as very small dobros. It's a good theory. It certainly is. Shall we see? Let's give it a go. So let's see, have I got a slide? Have I got a slide? Crikey. What's that? Oh, it's cute, isn't it? I was looking for that, yeah. Here we go. We've already done 5 takes today. Oh, it's ever so hot in here. Ever so hot, yeah. Okay, let's mess in and straight in. So we'll give her a go, right? There we go. Oh yeah. Quite a nice bit of sustain. Let's have a look. Right, everything's set on the amp to 12 o'clock. I think if we put a little bit more gain on that, quite a bit more tone and a fraction more volume. Let's see what we got. I've got it set to clean because the overdrive on this thing, it's only a little portable. It's really not so hot, but we'll see how it sounds anyway. Not bad at all. Yeah, do forgive me, I am still very jet lagged. I think it's a little bit sharp, so I'm going to take the tone off somewhat. Oh, we're feeding back, we're feeding back. Take the volume down a bit. And increase the gain ever so slightly. Let's have a listen, shall we? So, I give you Kellen. Yeah, not bad at all. Obviously, we want to hear this really put through its paces. It does need a bit more setting up, I feel. The action is very nice and twangly. It's a lot more bouncy than what I'm used to. Yeah, a Liesl cigar box guitar. She did say that she departed from her usual Daddario strings and fitted these with some Ernie Bourne earthwoods, extra light, to hopefully make it a little bit more jangly and a little bit more twangly, as she did put it herself. Well, I think she's certainly achieved that, the old girl, yeah. And yeah, I'm saying job's a good one. Is it any good? I'll let you decide, but I'm saying job's a good one anyway. It's certainly a lot of fun to play, and I think it is quite a nice prototype for maybe some future builds. You know, if we can kind of work on the design a little bit. I think maybe with a larger cigar box it would sound pretty good. Yeah, but as an initial prototype, I think the old CBG has done well. Yeah. Now, oh, she has been busy, hasn't she? What's all this? Look. I'm most intrigued, I must say. It looks like she's planning a build here, doesn't it? Yeah. I have to say, I'm most intrigued looking around the room. I can't imagine, but anyway. Yeah. Well, there we go. And where was I? Yeah, so really that's about it from me for today, peeps. Yeah, I will be seeing you soon. Next up, we probably will see Les. Yeah. Now, CBG, she did say something about subscriber suggestions, community ideas, etc. So there may be a special bits between the bits. But as far as I know, we will see Les next. Yeah. As we have gathered, he has repaired the tour bus. So who knows, yeah. But he is on holiday up here, so I'm not pushing it with him, you know. But anyway, yeah, I will leave it for there. And thanks for joining me today. Yeah, if you have made it to the end of this rather sensational sound experiment, I am very grateful, absolutely. And yeah, it's all your ideas that basically create this channel, as you know. So yeah, in true Liesl cigar box guitar style, that does leave only for me to say, wherever you are, peeps, do stay safe. Whatever you're doing, do stay blessed. And whatever life brings, keep building. Okay then, peeps, on the next one. I'll see you soon. I love you all. Okay, bye for now then. Bye.